Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best African Cookbooks is probably one of the most exciting culinary journeys you can embark on, offering a vibrant tapestry of flavors, techniques, and cultural stories that have been passed down through generations, promising to transport your taste buds to the heart of diverse African cuisines, from the spicy stews of West Africa to the aromatic tagines of North Africa and the hearty grains of the East, making every meal an adventure. Number 5. Modern Senegalese Recipes. Embark on a culinary journey to Senegal with this collection of modern recipes. Discover authentic flavors, from farm to table. Experience the vibrant tastes of Senegalese cuisine, thoughtfully curated for today's kitchen. Each dish tells a story of tradition and innovation. Explore a fresh perspective on Senegalese cooking. These recipes bring the essence of the region directly to your dining table. Unlock the secrets of delicious Senegalese food. We guide you through creating memorable meals with fresh, quality ingredients. Bring the heart of Senegal into your home. These recipes are designed to be accessible and enjoyable for every home cook. What we like. This cookbook offers a fresh perspective on Senegalese cuisine. It brings traditional tastes into contemporary kitchens with ease. If you're looking to explore a specific West African culinary tradition with modern adaptations, this is the one for you. What people say. This cookbook is packed with authentic recipes from various African regions, offering a genuine taste of the continent's diverse culinary heritage. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners, with helpful tips and explanations for less common ingredients. Beautifully illustrated with vibrant photos of the dishes, making the recipes even more appealing and inspiring. Number 4. Jubilee, Recipes from 2 Centuries of African American Cooking. Embark on a delicious journey through time. Discover the rich heritage of African American cuisine, spanning over 2 centuries. This cookbook brings vibrant flavors and stories right to your kitchen. Experience the true essence of African American cooking. These recipes are a testament to the resilience and creativity of generations. Taste the tradition in every bite. Bringing you cherished recipes passed down through families. Learn the techniques and stories behind beloved dishes. It's more than a cookbook, it's a piece of history. Join us in celebrating a significant part of American culinary history. Explore a diverse collection of dishes that have shaped our palates. Savor the authentic tastes that have endured. This collection offers a deep dive into the heart of African American culinary traditions. Uncover the secrets to creating unforgettable meals. It's an essential addition for any food lover. Discover the incredible flavors that have been a part of African American culture for over 200 years. These recipes are perfect for sharing with loved ones. Enjoy a taste of history today. What we like. Dive into the rich history of African American cooking through cherished family recipes. It beautifully captures the evolution of these dishes over 2 centuries. If you appreciate the cultural significance behind your food and love classic soul food, this cookbook will be a treasured addition to your collection. What people say. The historical background provided on the topic, the multitude of references given to other authors' cookbooks that will allow you to delve deeper into the roots of African American cooking and the history of recipes. The author is a good writer with ease at storytelling mixed with lots of facts and historical notes. The book is accessible, the photos well composed. This book does not disappoint. It is a beautifully made, wonderfully photographed, and well-written book with delicious recipes. The food was amazing and the ingredients were accessible. Number 3. BIBI'S Kitchen, Grandmother's Recipes from Africa. Embark on a flavorful adventure with BIBI'S Kitchen. Discover the heartwarming recipes and rich stories passed down through generations. Experience the authentic tastes of grandmothers from 8 African countries bordering the Indian Ocean. Each dish tells a unique story. This cookbook is a celebration of heritage. It brings you the cherished recipes and personal anecdotes directly from the heart of these incredible women. More than just a collection of recipes, it's a window into the lives and traditions of African grandmothers. Prepare to be inspired. Journey through the diverse culinary landscapes of 8 nations. You'll find a tapestry of flavors and a deep connection to culture in every page. Savor the delicious food and be moved by the personal stories shared within. It's a truly unique and enriching experience for any food lover. What we like. Experience the heartwarming stories and authentic recipes from grandmothers across 8 African nations. It's a culinary journey along the Indian Ocean coast, showcasing incredible diversity. If you enjoy learning about the people behind the food and want to explore a unique blend of flavors from East Africa, this book is a must-have. What people say. The recipes are really wonderful and accurate. The recipes to make greens, especially, are a big hit in our household and I frequently make one of them. There are several variations and they are all easy. 95% of the recipes are made with ingredients easily accessible to mainstream US cooks. The recipes are easy to follow and whichever recipe I tried so far worked out pretty well. Number 2. Flavors of Africa, Authentic Family Recipes. Embark on a delicious adventure across the African continent. Discover a rich tapestry of authentic family recipes passed down through generations. Experience the true essence of African cuisine right in your kitchen. These recipes bring the warmth and flavor of home to your table. Explore a collection of cherished family secrets. Each dish tells a story, connecting you to the culinary heritage of Africa. Journey through diverse culinary landscapes, from the vibrant markets of the north to the coastal kitchens of the south. We've gathered the best from every region. Bring your loved ones together with meals that celebrate tradition. These are the authentic tastes that have nourished families for years. Let us guide you through the incredible diversity of African cooking. Prepare to impress your family and friends with these unique and flavorful dishes. What we like. This offers a broad exploration of authentic family recipes from across the entire African continent. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive introduction to diverse African cuisines. If you're eager to discover a wide range of traditional dishes and flavors from various regions, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. The recipes look very clear and easy to understand, and the photos are lovely. Everything I have made from it has been absolutely scrumptious, and the harissa chicken on the cover is now my husband and son's favorite meal. The directions are clear and most recipes are perfectly suitable for weeknight cooking. The recipes are easy to follow with great photos. I also like the section that talks about stocking the pantry, since I'm learning all the blends of spices. This book lives up to its name, giving a range of recipes from different parts of Africa. Number 1. Amazing African Cuisines Cookbook. Embark on a culinary journey to Africa. This cookbook brings the most authentic and traditional recipes right to your kitchen. Explore the rich heritage of African cooking. We've gathered a collection of beloved traditional dishes for you to recreate. Enjoy the vibrant tastes of Africa without the hassle. Learn to prepare delicious meals with straightforward instructions. This single volume is your passport to a world of amazing African dishes. Experience the diversity of flavors from across the continent. Mastering traditional African cooking has never been easier. Get ready to impress with these authentic and time-tested recipes. What we like. This compilation provides an amazing array of authentic and traditional African cuisines all in one place. It's designed to be accessible for home cooks looking for variety. If you want a single, comprehensive resource packed with many classic African dishes that are straightforward to prepare, this cookbook is a fantastic choice. What people say. This cookbook is a comprehensive guide to authentic African cuisine, featuring a wide array of recipes from various regions. The recipes are well explained with clear instructions, making them accessible even for novice cooks. It includes detailed information on ingredients, cooking techniques, and cultural context, offering a rich culinary experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.